Guten Tag, willkommen zum Deutschkurs, or welcome to the German learning course. Today we shall learn about how to use the question word where in German. In English, where are you from, and where are you going to, all use the same question word where. But in German, we have different question form for each of these three contexts. First one is woher, where from. Woher, where from. It indicates the origin or nativity. For example, we have come across the phrase woher kommen Sie in the first video of the series. Make sure to watch it to learn about greetings and few commonly used phrases in German. Link in description. Woher kommen Sie? Or where do you come from? In reply, you may answer Ich komme aus and your country name. For example, Ich komme aus Türkei. I come from Turkey. The verb kommen always associates with the preposition aus. We cannot use any other preposition in its place. In German, many verbs have certain fixed prepositions which associate with them in a particular context. We shall learn about such Verben mit Präpositionen in later videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay connected. The second question word is wohin, where to. Wohin, where to. It indicates the destination or movement from one point to another. Wohin is generally followed by the verbs fahren, fliegen, and gehen. In reply, you may say, Ich fliege nach, and your destination. For example, Ich fliege nach Deutschland. I am flying to Germany. The verbs fahren, fliegen, and gehen always take only the preposition nach. No other preposition can be used in its place. The third question word is wo, where. Wo, where. It is the general where used in all other situations. For example, wo arbeiten Sie? Where do you work? Wo studieren Sie? Where do they study? Please note, here the small letter ns indicates it is the pronoun they, as it is conjugated to studieren. Wo wohnt sie? Wohnen is to reside. Can you guess the meaning of the sentence? Where does she live or reside? The two hints are the small letter s in sie and the verb conjugation form it is associated with, won't. To summarize all of this, the first question word is woher, where from. It indicates the origin or nativity. Verb associated with woher is kommen and preposition is aus. The second word wohin, where to. It indicates the destination or movement between 2 points. Verb associated with wohin is fahren, fliegen, and gehen, and the preposition is nach. The third question word wo, where, is used in all other situations and it takes all other verbs. Now we shall do a Übung or an exercise on this topic. You may pause the video wherever required and take your time to answer. Woher-Sie, kommen Sie England? Woher kommen Sie? Kommen Sie aus England? Where are you from? Are you from England? Herr Schmidt aus Bayern. Herr Schmidt kommt aus Bayern. Mr. Schmidt is from Bavaria. Macht Urlaub. When er zurück? Macht Urlaub. When kommt zurück? He is on a holiday. When is he coming back? Fliegen Sie. Ich fliege Paris. Wohin fliegen Sie? Ich fliege nach Paris. Where are you flying to? I'm flying to Paris. Fahren Sie. Ich fahre zurück München. Wohin fahren Sie? Ich fahre zurück nach München. Where are you traveling to? I'm traveling back to Munich. Dash machen Sie Urlaub? Dash Italien. Wo machen Sie Urlaub? In Italian. Where are you taking a vacation? In Italy. Dash wohnst du? Ich wohne dash Frankfurt. Wo wohnst du? Ich wohne in Frankfurt. Where do you live? I live in Frankfurt. Dash studieren Sie? Ich studiere jetzt dash Hamburg. Wo studieren Sie? Ich studiere jetzt in Hamburg. Where are you studying? I'm currently studying in Hamburg. I hope you got an idea on how to use the question words wo, woher, and wohin. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet and give it a thumbs up to let me know you've liked it. We shall continue with German grammar in the next video. Until then, bye, auf Wiedersehen.